There's an ever-increasing problem of pollution and global warming in our world. There are many contributors, but cows are one of the biggest. That's right, cows. The problem is simple. Cow byproducts are released into the atmosphere and contribute to global warming, pollution, acid rain, and other environmental disasters. How does this happen, you ask? That's easy. As cows chew their cud, they release gas. One or two cows releasing this natural methane is not a problem. But what happens when this takes place at a 3,000 cow dairy farm? A single cow typically releases 21 to 25 gallons of methane a day. In that same farm of 3,000 cows, that's 65,000 gallons of methane in 24 hours. Almost 23 million gallons a year. What happens to all of that gas? It all goes up into the atmosphere and creates an insulating blanket of greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat from the sun near the Earth's surface. Global warming is slowly increasing the Earth's average temperature. However, this process is quickly speeding up. Unfortunately, cows go through this natural process all over the planet. There are almost 1.5 billion head of cattle on Earth, all producing methane every day. Scientists believe that cows contribute to global warming as much, if not more, than cars. You could drive 12,000 miles a year in your vehicle and still not match the emissions levels found in a single cow. Not only are the cows contributing to global warming, but they are also adding to the acid rain problem. The methane they release combines with sulfur in the atmosphere, travels over hundreds of miles, and can seriously damage crops and forest life all over the world. This explains the problem with all the gas, but there's even more crisis when it rains. Would you believe cows add to water pollution? With a large number of cows, you get a large amount of manure. It adds up and will sit out in the fields until the rains come and break it down. The poo travels with the water and runs back into the ground, ponds, streams, and rivers. Cow pies contain E. coli, salmonella, and many other illnesses. These pathogens are 10 times more concentrated in manure than in human waste. High nitrate levels found in water near dairy farms have also been linked to pregnancy problems and even infant death. So with all of these terrible problems, what are we supposed to do? Several dairy farms take the manure up from the fields, pile it, and cover it with a big plastic sheet. They add a special enzyme that breaks down the poo and releases the methane within the cow pies. This gas is cleaned, compressed, and used to power local facilities and even vehicles. For instance, harnessing the methane of a 3,000 cow farm can power over 750 houses. Fair Oaks Farms in northern Indiana also showed that this process can replace up to 1.5 million gallons of diesel fuel each year from just one farm of cows. So before you eat your next burger or chug down that glass of milk, remember all of the methane produced with it.